If you are noticing more aches or puffiness after 60, your body might be asking for these specific foods. It is a story so many of us share. Your ankles feel a bit fuller by evening. Your joints do not move as freely as they once did. That youthful skin resilience seems like a distant memory. These are not just random signs of aging. They are connected to a fundamental protein that is starting to fade. I'm talking about collagen. Think of it as your body's internal support framework. It is the glue that keeps your skin plump, your joints cushioned, and your blood vessels flexible for smooth circulation. But here is the catch no one tells you early enough. After your 40s, your body's natural collagen factory slows down significantly. By the time you reach 60, you might have less than half of what you enjoyed in your youth. This is not about chasing a miracle cream. True, lasting support comes from within, from what you put on your plate. Have you ever had to change your plans because your feet or knees were just too uncomfortable? Tell us about that moment in the comments. Your story could inspire someone else to take their first step toward change. We are here reading everyone. Today we are counting down 5 essential edible allies, starting with a foundational number 5 and building to the most powerful at number 1. These choices are proven to help calm swelling, enhance blood flow, and bring back a feeling of strength and vitality. And the top entry? It is probably sitting in your pantry right now. Number 5. Colorful berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and their vibrant cousins are nature's tiny protectors. They are bursting with antioxidants that shield your existing collagen from daily wear and tear. Science shows these compounds can reduce internal inflammation and even improve fine circulation in mature adults. How to use them? Aim for a generous handful each day, fresh or frozen. They are perfect mixed into oatmeal or yogurt. Number 4. The tropical activator, papaya. This fruit does not contain collagen itself. Instead, it provides the critical tools your body needs to produce it. It is loaded with vitamin C and unique enzymes that protect your current supply and signal your cells to make more. Research confirms that adults with strong vitamin C levels tend to have more supple skin and better circulatory health. How to use it? Enjoy about a cup of fresh papaya daily. Try it blended into a morning smoothie with a squeeze of citrus for a mega dose of vitamin C. Number 3. Omega-rich salmon. Pay special attention to the skin, as it is a direct source of type 1 collagen. The greater benefit comes from the potent omega-3 fats in the flesh, which are renowned for dialing down inflammation. This 1-2 punch supports vessel strength and can help reduce that stubborn swelling in limbs. How to use it? For best results, enjoy 2 portions weekly, and do not shy away from that crispy, nutrient-packed skin. Number 2. A kitchen staple, bone broth. Simmering animal bones for an extended time extracts gelatin, amino acids, and collagen fragments that are easy for your body to use. These components have been shown to soothe joint tissue and improve skin hydration from the inside out. How to use it? A warm cup each day, sipped like tea or used as a base for soups and stews. Consistency is key here. Number 1. The surprisingly simple collagen booster, gelatin. Yes, that plain powder you might have overlooked. This is essentially pre-cooked collagen in its most absorbable form. A notable study had participants take about 10 grams daily. In weeks, they reported greater joint comfort, flexibility, and better skin moisture. How to use it? The easiest method is to stir a tablespoon into your morning coffee, tea, or post-workout shake. It is flavorless and mixes in silently. Conclusion: commit to the change. Commit to this nutritional approach for a month. Pay attention. You may just find your skin feels softer, your movements become easier, and that heavy, swollen sensation starts to lift. If this guide opened your eyes to a more natural path, please show your support by liking this video. Sharing it could help a friend or family member on the Healthy Lifestyle channel. Thank you for watching.